avant-garde teacher here. I hope you'll enjoy watching this video and find something that you can use, because I believe in sharing. I'm not a pro, but I always find creative ways to work with what I have. If you like this video, click like and subscribe. And why not join our Facebook group and share this?
Which is the greatest of all time? We have Loom, Screencast-O-Matic, or Screen-O-Matic.
This video is rated E for everyone.
All right, let's get started with Loom. I want to say Loom was really easy to use. When I went to the Google Chrome extension, I was able to get started right away. I did not have to download anything to start recording. However, if I wanted to download annotative tools, if I wanted to use annotative tools, I did have to download those. But otherwise, Loom was really easy to use, and I want to tell you, it's free for teachers. Well, now this is a blow up of the control panel that you have access to. It's located in the lower left-hand portion of your screen when you're recording on Loom. Now here I finished my recording, and these are some of the different options that it's giving me and telling me what I can do with these options. Loom does save to its own server, so it saves to a website you're recording, and you have the option of downloading it to your computer so that you could upload it. If you need to upload it to YouTube or upload it to your Google Drive, you can. Now, one of the features that I don't see often that you get for free is the editing feature. Now, it doesn't give you a full editing suite, but it does allow you to trim off the beginning, in case you weren't ready to get started, or trim off the end a little bit to end the recording. So I was very excited to see that it offered those free. If you have any further questions about Loom, there are links below to its website. And we're going to now go on to our next competitor, is Screencast-O-Matic. Now, Screencast-O-Matic, you do have to download to get started. And after you finish downloading, it's very easy to use. You have a control panel, just like with the other one. Now, this one doesn't give you editing ability unless you upgrade. So you do have to upgrade in order to get the editing ability. But it does upload directly into different applications such as YouTube. Now, it saves it to its own file on its server. So if you want to upload it to Google Drive, you do have to download it to your computer and then upload it to Google Drive. Screencast-O-Matic is very user-friendly. I had no problems using it. Now, if I wanted to upgrade to the next version, which is the deluxe version, it would cost less than $24 a year. It does add a green screen filter, your annotative tools, and a whole editing suite. So if you have any questions and want more information, I've attached links below. Now, on to Screencastify. And after you launch it from your Google extension, Screencastify is ready to go. All the controls are at the bottom lower left hand corner, and it comes with annotation even in the free version. So what you're seeing highlighted in the bubble, it has a highlighter function that I'm using. It has where you can draw and annotate on the screen and erase it if you make a mistake. There's the pause button, and you have a way to hide your tools if you don't want them on the screen. Now, Screencastify only gives you 5 minutes of video timing in the free version. If you want unlimited, you do have to pay, and currently it's only $29 for the year. But one of the best things about Screencastify, in my opinion, is that it saves directly to Google Drive. It auto-saves. So there's a file that's created immediately for your videos with all the videos that you do on Screencastify. Now, Screencastify does upload to an MP4, which is your movies. It can make a GIF. It does also do audio only in an MP3 file. There are no watermarks, and really, that's all there is to Screencastify. It's pretty user-friendly and easy to use. So, are you ready to find out which is the greatest of all time? Well, that depends on you. I have friends that use each of these three. Some use Loom and love it. They think it's easier to use than Screencastify. Some use Screen-O-Matic and love it. I have an administrator that uses Screencast-O-Matic. I use Screencastify. It just depends on you. I love the annotation that I get with Screencastify. However, some people might like the trimming feature if they are on the free version that you get with Loom. Or some people may like the Screencast-O-Matic and that they can share and use that for different things because it's on its own website and it's not in Google Drive. So please let me know in the comments below what your favorite is. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, join us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and get more AGT. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video and want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe.